Starting around 30 July 2023, Velo, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11%, in most recent 1 hour, in an extremely huge manner. Velo explicitly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $19,602,216, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,227,309 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. This truly makes Velo kind of positioning at 583 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo truly be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Is Velo an especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023? Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Will Velo cost certainly outperform its untouched genuinely high in a very significant manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future. Certainly further appearance how this generally makes Velo positioning at 583 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost really is supposed to cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $0.003, the normal sort of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to generally be $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.00325, showing that this sort of makes Velo by and large positioning at 583 in the digital currency market, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value gauge July 2023. The Velo conjecture for July 2023 expects that the Velo may basically arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.003 with a base cost of around $0.002 in a really significant manner. Discussing the especially normal value, Velo can sort of stretch around $0.003 for July in a significant manner. Velo value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Velo cost really is figured to arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $0.003. The Velo cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.003, with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $0.00333, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value expectation September 2023. The cost for Velo in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.003 and $0.003 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.003, which basically is very huge. Velo value gauge October 2023. The Velo cost for October 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.003, while the by and large greatest determined value sort of is around $0.00337, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo really be somewhat worth in 2023? Which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The very normal cost for Velo generally is somewhat anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $0.003 in October 2023, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value conjecture November 2023. The normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward the finish of November 2023. Showing that besides Velo can truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $0.00325, exhibiting that this certainly makes Velo certainly positioning at 583 in the digital currency market, which basically is very critical. Velo could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.003, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.00593 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value expectation December 2023. The cost of Velo is generally anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of $0.003 in December 2023 in a really significant way. The Velo cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.0051553, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023. Velo pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost in every practical sense has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 2.01% as of now, which basically is very huge. Velo is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The Velo sort of is down to nearly 8.42% over the most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past truly couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment, which by and large is very huge. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo generally diminished by 58.576%, disposing of an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.004 from its especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good fundamentally purchase a potential open door for in every practical sense, speedy venture, showing the way that the Velo cost could truly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.005153, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.003 all through 2023. Velo all things considered, past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost in a real sense has shown a great increment of 2.01% as of now, or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change truly is near 6.84%, and the cost basically circled from a sort of least commonly normal cost of $0.003 to extremely greatest sort of normal cost of $0.003 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, showing how Velo in a real sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. In most recent 4 months, Velo for the most part has shown a developing pattern, or so they basically thought. In this way, we most certainly imagine that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo certainly is expanded from 4 months. So this unexpected down basically implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a great sort of purchase and open door for exceptionally speedy speculation, showing the way that the Velo cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.005153, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.003.